Hi, this is Bill's Garden Machinery. This is just a basic look at one of my toolboxes I use for day-to-day repairs on garden machinery. Metric spanners, SAE spanners, all your various different types of pliers, punches, knock-off tools for knocking off flywheels, numerous hex keys, Torx keys, etc. What have we got here? We've got grease guns for chainsaws, cylinder hone, numerous picks and carburetor screwdrivers, pressure tester for little cube 2-stroke carburetors, screwdrivers, numerous tachometers and spark testers, Briggs & Stratton spark testers, numerous tools there, a mixture of everything, Fluke multimeter, ammeters for testing ampage output and all on machines, what have you, Irwin sockets there for removing rounded off nuts, etc. More numerous tools, soldering irons, gas soldering irons, crimper, battery terminal cleaners, sockets that we've modified for doing different jobs, etc. What have we got here? DTI timing gauge for Tecumseh, Tecumseh flywheel puller, numerous sockets, etc. What we got here? Frequency and capacitance meter, Briggs & Stratton again. Then we move down to the next box, and we have numerous crimps and small pliers, etc. Whacker tachometer, more sockets. Got here. Crankcase vacuum test gauge. Oh yeah, now that's a handy little tool. That's for rewinding the recoil springs. Easy Coil it's made by. Find that very handy for when doing strimmers and chainsaws, etc. Very handy piece of kit that. Numerous tools there again. We have Briggs & Stratton flywheel tools, crankcase splitter there, I believe that's Husqvarna, I can't remember now. More numerous pliers and pullers, seal pullers, etc. Blade tools and all. Briggs & Stratton pullers, Tecumseh Peerless toolkit for doing Peerless transaxles. Air blowgun, Power Probe 3, Mighty Vac Elite there. Use that for 2-stroke testing of crankcases, etc. Handy little piece of kit that one. And we get down the bottom, what we got here? Yeah, we've got Neway valve seat cutter. We've got ignition mate back there for testing ignition modules on the actual machines. Hydraulic crimper, Mighty Vac compression tester. That's about all in that stack, and I'll film the other one later.